Hello everyone and welcome one more time to my channel Traders Nook. Today we are going to discuss that if you miss your chance to buy at the right time and the market has already moved out above, let's say, your level, then how and where you can find a spot where you can enter into a trade. Today I'm going to show you the example of German market. So what happened that this is morning today. If you notice that market opened at 9 and then from 9 p.m. it actually moved it moved almost as compared to yesterday, 150 points. That is too much for one day move. I already missed that move, but I wanted to show you how and when you can enter into this trade. So what I did, I missed this move. Never try to jump what you missed, okay? You missed the trend, accept it. Market will give you so many opportunity again and again during the day. So what happened? Market was actually made a move and then it was stuck into this channel. I was actually waiting when the market will move out of this channel because that is when you actually get a chance to get into this trade again. So the market was stuck into this channel. If you notice, this is a pole and this is a flag. It means market move in one direction and then it stabilized for some time. It consolidated. We call it breathing space. Market always takes some time as a breathing space. And then when market broke this channel and coming back, I entered into this green candle. So this made this red candle touched the upper part of this flag. And then when it started moving up, I entered into this trade. And if you notice, I'm already in this trade. I have taken 6 quantities. My average of this trade is 51. So like I told you, I was entering here in this green candle somewhere. And then here, maybe around this point, it was 51. But this is my point. Never try to jump into a trade which you already missed. So imagine if I noticed it here or here, what would have happened if I enter into this trade maybe here? Because people, once you miss your chance, you always need to wait. When can you enter? You will always get your chance to re-enter into this trade. You will always able to catch. I will be cautious around this here. Why? Because market will try to break this trend line now. And when this trend line will be break, you will notice that there will be a very quick move until this point. So what we are talking about is that I have bought at 51. And if this trend line, trend line is broken, then I can easily capture 20 points. So that is what I wanted to mention to you in today's video, that how you can enter a trade once that you have missed it. Now the market will trade above this. So now market will keep trading above this channel. It might come back just to retest, but it will in general stay away of that. Now the question is, what will be my stop loss? My stop loss would generally be here at this one. This should be my stop loss here because that is the channel's low. It is the swing low as well. So that would be my stop loss. However, when the market start moving below this moving average line, I could also exit some of my loss-making trade. So that would be my stop loss. But for now, the market will take resistance on this line, but it will try to break up during the day. It will try to break this line during the day. So that is my reasoning behind that. Again, I will repeat myself. When market make a move in one direction very quick and in only one direction, if you notice, there is no signal to get out of this trade because every candle is closing above the closing of the previous candle. You notice that only here, that was the first candle which actually closed below the closing of the previous candle. And after that, there was a consolidation happened. And now after that, it broke it in the upward direction. And after that, this move will always come. By the way, we should never panic with this one red candle because that happened again here as well. There was a green candle, red, because people are afraid to buy here or because that is also high of the day. So the high of the day is this candle. The level is 16,175 almost. So now we are trading at 16,145. So we still can capture 30 more points during the day and even more, because when market will break this trend line, it will again very quickly come to this level. And if this level is broken, then we can really see a big move on the upward direction as well. So I will keep you posted what happened with this trade. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel. I post my daily analysis, how I trade, why I trade, my mindset behind that, my reasoning behind that. Okay, guys, I'm back. So just wanted to, I just told you that don't be this red candle. You just need to be respectful of your stop loss. Be very mindful about your stop loss. Don't accept the stop loss too quickly, otherwise it will be hit so many times. So now, like I said, this is trend line. If it breaks, the market will move quick till this high of the day. If you notice, trade taken up 25, 20, 30. So that is the point. So I'm still here with this trade. I took some partial profit if the market retraces to some level, because if you notice, I bought some 56, something at 45. So maybe I will just come out of this trade because it is bought at a very higher level. So as you can see now, I'm still at 44 euros, almost 50, and I invested on 323 euros. The reason for me is that I wanted to show you how you can enter into this. So when you miss the big move, always wait. Market will give you a chance to re-enter. And the market can again, if it comes down, only check this trend line, test this trend line, and then back in the upward direction. By the way, of course, now I will let this profit become a loss. I will accept, even if it is 15 euro profit, I will accept, but I will also wait at the same time how the market will behave. So if the market will start falling from here, not now, my stop loss, I will not wait for here. My stop loss will come somewhere around this trend. Now I will not wait for my stop loss because there is no reason to accept a loss on this trade when I'm already in profit. This is the message that you can take with you through this video, is that when you enter a trade, you should have a logical stop loss, but you should not be very stick to that stop loss. You should always keep moving the stop loss as the market moves into your direction. Just in this case, like I told you, that when I entered in this green candle, my stop loss will become somewhere below this point. But now my stop loss will not be at this point, it will be at the top of this point. So 16,154 will be my stop loss. And because I'm already in profit in this trade, I also thought why I partially 5-6 euros in that trade, because bought it at 16,156, and that was only two quantities which were actually bought at the very high level. I'm going to actually book a little bit of profit here. Now I will not let this trade loss. So as soon as it start touching this 154, I will get out of this trade by accepting, even if it is 10 euro, I will accept that. But now I will not get out of this trade in a loss. If you notice, my trade is still 40. Even if I get out of this trade in 54, that is still 5 point profit for me. Like I told you, I will get out of this trade as soon as it starts moving and touches 154. I'm very much ready, accept and get out of this trade, and you need to be quick in action. This candle is not coming. It is still at 55. I'm still waiting for 54 level. So let's see what happens. And again, you may be thinking, I was already 40 euros up. Right now, I'm already maybe 24, 25 euros up. Why I left that money on the table? You will have to believe, if you want to capture big moves, you always have to be ready to leave some money on the table. Otherwise, you will never be able to capture big moves. So the market is still respecting this level. It is possible it moves. It is also possible that it comes down here. So this is something that we all need to learn. Right now, I'm bullish on this market. It means that I'm on the buying side. But at the same time, I know that I can be wrong. Market is giving me this money. It was giving me 50 euros. I just booked profit on two quantities because at 56. So I just booked 2 euros in that quantity. But rest I'm safe because every all the four quantities is now 16,140. So I'm already in profit. I don't need to be afraid. And that's the reverse psychology. When we are in loss, we always sit back and we think, okay, market will reverse back, market will rebound from here, and the trade where we are actually making loss will reverse and come back to our break-even point, even in profit. We always sit relaxed. But as soon as we start making profit, we start seeing this profit on our screen, we panic that someone will snatch this profit out of our hands. But that's not true. Market does not even know that you have taken a trade. They don't even care that we actually are on the buying side with our just four quantities, because people here 200 quantities, 500 quantities, even 1,000 quantities. Nobody cares about our four quantities. So believe me, try this just once. Try to stick to your trades where you're actually making a profit. Of course, I'm not saying that even if it is, moving opposite direction. So for example, if I start seeing 2-3 big red candles, it doesn't add any value if I still stick into this trade. But until then, I can still be. I showed you, I could have booked 50 euros, I could have booked 40 euros, but I'm in this trade because market is not giving me any signals to get out. Of course, I had a breaking point, and the breaking point was 54. Before that, there is no reason for me to get out of this trade, because this consolidation will always happen. Market will never move one straight up, and down, down. No. You need to adjust mindset as per the market movement. There will be never one upside. There will always be like up and down, up and down. So get your mindset adjusted to this. Get used to that, because it will pay you a lot. So right now, it's also about patience. When most of the people lose patience, then the market makes. Okay, guys, as you notice that market is now breaking this level. Normally I would stay in this trade until this level, even if I book a partial profit here. But right, I need to leave, and at this moment I'm going to book this 57, 55 euros in my trade. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, because that is the only way I know that my message is reaching out to you. So I would really love to hear from you. I would like to see your comments. So please subscribe and like to my video. Thank you very much. And I will see you tomorrow. If I take any trade, I will tell you and explain my reasoning, why I'm taking this trade and what is the reason. And I learned everything on my own, but I'm ready to share my knowledge with every one of you, because I believe if I can do it from nothing with no knowledge, then you can do it too. And I'm here to help you. So please let me know, guys, if you want me to cover any specific topic. If you want to start, I can start making videos from zero. Like if you don't know anything, I will start making videos on how to read. Even if you don't know what is the meaning of this candle, how to read it, I will start explaining. But for today, I'm making my profit because I need to leave now. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, before I sign off, one last observation I wanted to share with you. I already mentioned to you that when market will break out this trend line, this level here, it will be very quick 20 points until the high of the day. And if you notice, we went until the high of the day, and from there we fell, but uh, the market did not breach this trend line. It again stayed above this trend line and now moving again on the upward direction. So this is what I wanted to share, that if you do your homework well, how would I know that if the market breaks this trend line, then it will definitely go to test this high of the day, and from there it can take a resistance. Market did exactly the same way. Like I said, I need to leave at that moment, so I booked my profit of 60, 70 euros. But if you notice, there could be also very quick downfall. If I looked at this shooting star candle, I would have sold for a very quick move as well. So guys, this is what I wanted to share. I will always keep sharing my analysis with you. Thank you very much, and I see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.